Here we are with a beautiful 1930 Ford FORDOR. Kind of a clever little name they gave to their FORDOR products at the time. And there's the famous horn, which is really great. And this was restored by the current owner's father. So there's some sentimentality here. It's meant to be driven, and you know, not meant to be a perfect showpiece, but you know, really fun to show, and you know, really fun to be seen in. So I'll just give a quick little walk around, and then we're going to take a ride. Looks like we have to, if I can, I'll close the trunk here. We'll work on that a little bit later. You can see how that latches. And you get a little view over here. So let's pretend it's 94 years ago. It's hard to believe. It is 94 years old.
Yeah.
A little crazy camera work there. You know, I had a little trouble with my knee.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is not easy to get into this thing.
Yeah, I'll have to. We're gonna pause and make the little drive video too.